Hello everyone, there's the 2025 50th anniversary Honda Goldwing. And in previous videos I discussed what was installed on the motorcycle and then some other Honda accessories that I added after the fact that do not need to be installed. And in this video I am going to go over a few additional Honda accessories that I ordered, not for the motorcycle, but rather for display. And I will display all of those in my He-Man garage whenever that is finished. But I will have a separate video on that. But the items that I ordered for the motorcycle for this video are the commemorative items that are 50th anniversary related. So let's get started on those. First is this full-length carpeted mat. I will zoom out. It's more than long enough for the Goldwing, and the idea is that you park the motorcycle on top of it. You can see there, 50th anniversary. And it has the Goldwing emblem on both ends. And I actually ordered two of them. Another one is over there in the corner in the box. And I will break that out when the He-Man garage is finished. And I will actually park the VMAX on top of that one. So they will both have a carpeted mat underneath. I also ordered two small ones. You can see the badging since '75 and 50th anniversary. And what I use these for is to simply put my folding chairs on top of. And those are over here. And again, these are all 50th anniversary commemorative items. So I have two folding chairs, and each one has a little pouch off to the side. You can see that it's large enough to put drinks in there, or cell phone, or whatever. All right, moving on to some other items. Here is the toolbox, and you can see the badging over here. Again, since '75, 50th anniversary. Not much to it. It's not heavy duty. I will probably only use it for Goldwing parts and accessories. So let's take a look inside. Top shelf. And you can see the locking mechanism here. So as long as that top lid is down, these drawers are not going to come out. So that's what locks them in place. Just 3 drawers. Again, not very large, not much to it. But again, just wanted to have one. It's a commemorative item that goes along with the motorcycle being the 50th year. So I decided to go ahead and get one. That's what it looks like on top. All right, next item. Next, this is called a chemical carrier. This is pretty lightweight. It's plastic. It's designed to be hung on a wall, which I will do when the garage is finished. Got some space in there for maybe 4 or 5 aerosol type cans like WD-40, brake cleaner, stuff of that nature. And again on the side, just like the toolbox, the anniversary badging. Here is the last item, and as you can see, it is the 50th anniversary gift box. And on the cover of the box you can see the 50th anniversary badging, as with the other items. Now what's also interesting on the cover of the box is it shows 1975 Goldwing and the 2025 Goldwing, which are basically, those motorcycles are what came with the model that I mentioned in a previous video. There were 2 commemorative items that came with the motorcycle, a model and a book. And I will go over those separately in a different video, but here are basically what looks like those models that they used. And they've put those on the cover of this box. All right, so let's take a look inside. Just 3 things, as the cover already illustrated. Here, once again, is the 50th anniversary badging. Here is polish, 50th anniversary since 1975, the polishing cloth. And over here is a tumbler with the 50th anniversary badging as well. Not that I'll ever use any of this, but again, I couldn't pass it up, being the commemorative items. Same with a lot of the other ones. A lot of it will be mostly just for display when I finish the garage, which once again is over there. But that's it for this video. Like I said, I will have another video on those other 2 items that came with the motorcycle, so stay tuned for that. See you next time.